When you are out in the wilderness, the chances of something going wrong is very high, so you should be very careful. Because of that, here are some survival gears you should never forget on a camping trip. This shelter has managed to strike a balance between aesthetics and practicality. It's not only a standout in design, but also a champion when it comes to functionality. It has gained recognition in the International Red Dot Award Design Competition, while also having a successful test run in Alaska that prove its effectiveness in adverse conditions. This shelter serves as a reliable refuge for snow campers or winter sports enthusiasts. This emergency shelter provides essential protection if they ever find themselves in dire situations such as injuries or snowstorms. The robust frame can support up to 155 pounds, and the temperature inside can be 75 degrees Fahrenheit higher than the outdoor environment under certain conditions. With all these amazing and life-saving specifications, you might be wondering where you can buy one of these emergency shelters. Well, it's unfortunate as there is no news about it being produced on a large scale. Make no mistakes, this isn't your usual torch that you would carry to see in the dark. This one is the 250-watt flash torch from Wicked Lasers, and it can do some serious damage with its light and heat. Being able to ignite flames, warm up water, and even fuse metals, you might be wondering what more can it do. Well, it has a few disadvantages as well. Firstly, the torch's lifespan is limited to approximately 100 hours of use. Secondly, when it's cranked up to maximum power, you'll only get about 15 minutes of illumination before a recharge is needed. And thirdly, with a price tag of $400, it's a serious investment. Not to mention, it tips the scales at a hefty 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds. This could be a lifesaver during critical conditions when help is far away. The XStat syringe allows you to directly inject into a wound to halt bleeding within just 15 to 20 seconds. It's an impressive invention initially developed for the US military, but it is now available for everyone's use at just $300. This incredible effect comes from the use of tiny cellulose sponges coated with chitosan, a substance found in crustacean shells. The sponges expand around 10 times their original size and have antibacterial properties as well. The amount of blood absorbed varies depending on the syringe model. For the XStat 30, it can handle up to 473 milliliters. This ingenious tool makes it much simpler for individuals without medical training to offer first aid for penetrating injuries such as bumping into a branch or stepping on shattered glass while out hiking or camping. When you are camping, it's essential to not let your body heat drop down. This is for people who like to camp in cold places. For this, the Gamma Jacket is your ally. It comes brimming with features designed to heat you up in your daily wear, sports escapades, or adventures in untouched natural spots. With a super thin graphene layer within, it is tougher than diamond and masterful at conducting heat. Is it magic? No, but it is technology. Beyond its core, the Gamma Jacket boasts an array of impressive attributes. It wards off the wind, shrugs off water, and avoids scratches and nicks with ease. Even with its sturdy build, the fabric maintains breathability. Adding to its allure are 3 integrated carbon fiber heating elements that offers personal climate control at your fingertips. As for storage, you're covered. With 10 generous pockets to keep your essentials close, it is something to invest in. These jackets start at $295. The GeoPress filter enables campers, adventurers, and travelers to effectively purify water from even the most questionable sources, efficiently blocking viruses, bacteria, heavy metals, microplastics, and other contaminants. This compact filter has a water purification rate of 5 liters per minute. Looking at the stats, this is twice as fast as other similar filters on the market. Additionally, there is a convenient valve designed for easily adding sports drink mixes to the purified water. The filter's cost? Just $100. This one is a handy warmer that fits right in your pocket and can be utilized in different environments, from dangerous mountain paths to a simple bus station. Its compact design is made to provide almost immediate warmth for up to 45 minutes. The magic happens when a metal disc touches a special gel, which crystallizes and heats up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 seconds. And the best part? It's reusable. Simply submerge the warmer in boiling water for 8 minutes, and it's ready to provide comfort once more. Weighing in at 118 grams with dimensions of 9 by 9 centimeters, this portable warmer can be bought in pair for just $5.50. Are you familiar with Via Ferrata? If not, these are climbing routes furnished with ropes, anchors, and steps that provide a quicker and more comfortable experience than climbing raw rock. They are ideal for novice climbers gaining experience. Consider this specially designed kit for mastering Via Ferrata. With a price tag of $366, the manufacturers guarantee it as the safest and most innovative kit on the market. Weighing under 2.2 pounds, it's suitable even for freezing temperatures as low as -31 degrees Fahrenheit. The Rhino Ready Companion is a holistic survival kit designed to fully equip you for unexpected hazardous situations. This traveler's backpack is not much larger than a regular one, but it is packed with 40 essential survival tools which can keep you going in virtually any scenario. To facilitate easy access, these items are categorized and tucked into designated compartments including first aid, comms, water, food, and much more. Remarkably, this backpack can sustain 2 people for up to 72 hours. Among the array of handy inclusions, you'll find a flashlight, hand crank, mobile charger, radio, mask, goggles, paracord, and a multi-tool. A water purification system covered by a designated water bottle alongside purifying tablets and water sachets is also at your disposal. This broad list still only scratches the surface of the companion's offerings. The backpack itself is crafted from a tough material and repels both water and dirt. This keeps the contents safe and undamaged. Well, that's going to be it for today. If you find this video entertaining, then drop a like and do subscribe for more similar content like this.